Well, it's a cold winter's day out there. As you can see, lots of snow outside. So it's a good night to have a nice hot meal. So I'm just going to have a little bit of hamburger, which is this stuff. So I'm going to use about half of it. So we'll just chop it in half. We'll put that in here. And then you need a cup of, I'm going to use Lancia shells. So let's put a cup in here. And throw this in a pot of boiling water. Put this in the fridge, the remainder for tomorrow. And what you want to do is cook it all up so it's a nice brown. You don't want to overdo it. You want to time the shells, so I'm going to put them on for 7 minutes. Then I'm going to get myself some tomato soup. Stir this up. Then I'm going to keep breaking this up and stirring it up so it gets all nice and brown all evenly. We're starting to get nice golden brown now. So I'm going to have some mixed veggies, which I've already got on the stove. So I'm just going to keep stirring this up. I got the element on just a little bit more than medium, because you don't want to cook it too fast. You want to get it nice and slowly and brown all evenly. You don't want to overdo it and burn it. So what you do is just keep breaking it up and stirring it around. And then do that with the shells. Stir them up too occasionally. There we go. So we've got 5 minutes left on the pasta. So I figure I got timed all out just right, or this will be done by 5 more minutes. Getting a nice brown already, so we'll just turn down a little bit more. So I'll put down to half. Break it a little bit more. What I was doing, I'm going to get myself a plate. And stir up the pasta shells a little bit more. along really nice there. Just go keep stirring it up. Break up a little bit more. Whoa. Sorry, camera. Just about knocked you over there. So just keep stirring it up a little bit more. Then the veggies are starting to steam up a little bit, so once they start boiling, then they'll be ready. Got a strainer, so you just strain out the water from the shells when they're ready. And they're just about done. Keep stirring this up a little bit more. I'll spice it up a little bit. I'm just going to use some seasoning salt. I'll just pour some of that on the meat. Don't want too much, don't want to overdo it. But I think the veggies are, the pasta is ready. So what we're going to do is just take it off and strain it over the sink. Get all the water out. Then I'm going to pour them into the meat, like so. Stir it up really nice. And to give it some flavor, I'm just going to put some of this tomato stuff on it there. So I'm just going to use half a can of that. Just spread it all over. Shut the timer off. Well, I think that's all ready to serve. So what you want to do is just put that over here. Put it onto the plate. And enjoy. So that's basically the steps of how to make pasta and hamburger and tomato sauce. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.